Hello and welcome. My name is Nakaila Mariah, and I am a spiritual coach and energy healer, here to guide you on a meditation to converse with your higher self. I invite you to close your eyes, get comfortable, and relax. As you bring your attention to your breath, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. With every breath you take, your body sinks deeper and deeper into a state of blissful relaxation. Any thoughts or feelings that might arise, simply allow them to float away, focusing on the in and out of your breath. As you feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you, becoming more and more relaxed. As you lie here breathing, bring your mind's eye to a beautiful forest path. Your bare feet in the cool soil, wildlife, critters around your feet, the beautiful beaming sun perfectly warming your back as the cool breeze caresses your face. Everything feels peaceful here. As you continue to walk down this path, noticing the wild flowers, and the birds, a cool mist begins to fall around you. Breathing in this mist, you notice it turns a crimson red. This energy brings you life as it grounds you into the earth, rooting you in to the sacred Earth Mother's presence and nurturing arms. You are safe here. As this mist fades into a beautiful orange, a deep feeling of surrender and peace falls over you, tapping into your divine feminine. Breathing life back into you as your creativity soars. This beautiful orange fades to yellow. Breathing in this yellow energy, your core center ignites. Like a flame in your belly, you feel a beautiful confidence building and building within you as your personal power activates. Your confidence soars. deepening into a forest green as your heart space opens with this beautiful energy. Love vibrates all around you, breathing green in and out. You remember now that love is what you are. It's the frequency at which you live your life. And as this beautiful green fades into a sky blue, a warm energy drips down your throat like warm molasses, opening and expanding your throat, enabling you to express your truth, to be heard and understood in your authenticity, your essence. And as this sky blue deepens now into the color of the night sky, the center of your forehead begins to pulsate as your intuition deepens and your third eye activates in this deep indigo energy. You have a deep knowing here. The indigo brightens into a beautiful violet swirled with pure white energy, spiraling down through you, awakening you to the divinity within as you feel completely connected, supported, and aligned here. Energized from head to toe, completely aligned. And as the colors fade and you find yourself back on the beautiful forest path, you notice an opening ahead. This beautiful opening is adorned with a blanket, a beautiful table, flowers, and a porcelain tea set. You're curious by this, and as you go to examine the setup, a powerful being joins you. Standing before you, you see a familiar face, a wise, all-knowing being. Your higher self has joined you here. As your higher self beckons you to sit at the table and enjoy some tea together, your heart opens, your mind expands as you embark on this wonderful conversation to gain insight and wisdom into who you are and what you need to know. As you converse with your higher self, do so with an open mind and heart. The time now is yours. this powerful conversation comes to an end, thank your higher self for the time and energy invested today, knowing you can always access, always embark on these conversations. Before you go to leave, your higher self reaches over and places a small object wrapped in a piece of paper in your left hand. On the paper is written a simple note, words that serve as a reminder of the powerful message you heard today. Read these words and tuck them in your heart for safekeeping, bringing your attention to the object in your hand, a sacred gift from your higher self, a symbol and reminder, sign that can be looked for in the physical world. Tuck this talisman in your heart for safekeeping, knowing and remembering the ways that you have to converse with your inner wisdom. Embracing your higher self again before you depart, stepping back on to the forest path, beginning your journey home, each step bringing you back into your human body, back into your room, where the weight of your body becomes present. You become aware of your breath, breathing in and out as your fingers and toes begin to wiggle. When you're ready, open your eyes. I invite you to journal the insights gained today, to take pen to paper and express your truth as a sacred reminder of this experience. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And remember, breathe deep and expect miracles.